Hello everyone, Brian Richards here. Today I'm going to teach you another math trick. This is called the Inseparable Pair. You're just going to need pretty much an entire deck of cards, and you're going to need to take out these two cards, the Inseparable Pair. One is the King of Hearts and the other one the Queen of Hearts. Aren't they so romantic? All right, we'll get them out and let's get into today's tutorial. All right, so you remove the Queen of Hearts and the King of Hearts. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually make two piles of 15 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you're going to do another pile right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you're going to get rid of the rest of the cards. You don't need them. So now what you're going to do is you're going to invite a volunteer to actually take these two piles and to cut them into two piles. So they can cut anywhere. So they cut this one, let's say here, maybe they cut this one here. And this is what makes this trick truly amazing, because we don't know how many cards are in each of the piles as they cut them. Now what you're going to do is you're going to instruct them to take the Queen of Hearts and they can put it on top of any one of these two front piles. So let's say they put it right here. You instruct them to take any one of these piles and put it on top of the Queen. So let's say they put this one on top of the Queen. Then what you're going to do is you're going to have them take the King of Hearts and put it face up on top of this back pile. And then this other pile, the one that doesn't have the Queen of Hearts in it, goes on top of the King. Then all you're going to do is take this pile, one that has the King, you can put it on top of the Queen pile. And once you've done that, you're ready to go. Now, obviously the King and Queen are separated, but check this out. You're gonna deal two piles face down, and you're gonna start with one to the left and then one to the right. And you're gonna go back and forth, and you wanna keep an eye on where the King of Hearts, the face up King, ends up. Keep an eye on that pile, okay? So you get through, we saw where the King is. You're gonna go through all the cards, dealing them out left and right, until you get to the very end. Then you're gonna get rid of the pile that does not have the face-up King. And you're gonna start all over. Deal left and then right, left and right. Again, looking for where the face-up King is. You're gonna go back and forth, there's the King, all the way till you get to the end. Get rid of the cards that don't have the face-up King. You pick up this pile, deal left, right. I think you know how this is going to end up, especially since this trick is called the Inseparable Pair. You get rid of them. And again, left, right, and you get rid of these, and you're left with just these two cards, and believe it or not, check it out, boom, it's the Queen of Hearts, the Inseparable Pair. I'm telling you right now, they're so in love, you cannot keep them apart. Well, I hope you enjoyed that trick, and if you enjoyed that trick, do me a favor, do hit like, please share, and also do subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate it. I need to monetize this channel, seriously, I really do. My daughter's Starbucks gift card is getting kind of low, and I need to replenish it, so.